Hey guys, welcome back to Mish Crochet. It is day 4 of Stitchmas, and today is going to be a really quick one. So we have a quick advent thing, and then I'm going to show you my project I promised to show you a couple days ago. So without further ado, let's get into it. First things first, let's start with our little advent present. It's heavy. It's a heavy one today. Oh, I was eyeballing these. All these had in their ad these ceramic travel mugs. Now, I am somebody who loves to take an herbal tea with me, and I have been using the same cup for, golly, I've known my husband for 7 years, and I've had it a while before that. So it's a purple Little Mermaid cup. I bought it at Meijer's. Oh gosh, I mean, obviously more than 7 years ago, because I've had it longer than I've known my husband. But I'm so afraid it's going to wear out, and I don't like taking it out of the house because I'm afraid I'm going to lose it somewhere or it's going to get damaged. And I was wanting something to take on the go, because I just sometimes we go weekly shopping and I just want to take my herbal tea with me. I'm a big fan of the Celestial Seasonings. Now, the Sugar Cookie Sleigh Ride is, for some reason, so hard to find. It only comes out at Christmas time, and I swear they never have in my area. My mom, to the rescue, got me a whole bunch last year, so I've been enjoying those. I also like the Tension Tamer, which is the blue box with the dragon on it. And there's one, it's Madagascar Vanilla, I think you say it Rooibos. And those are my favorite. And because I'm not really caffeinated beverage kind of girl. I mean, every once in a while, but these are going to be great. I love the color. These are, they're just over 16 ounces. That's perfect to take on the go. And when I was eyeballing these, I was having a hard time, I told my husband, I don't know which one I want to get. And I was kind of joking, hey, if I got 2 of them, I could switch it up so they could both be pink and teal. Because I thought maybe, because this is a rubber silicone here, and I'm gonna try, I think, to take the sleeves off and switch them so they're even more colorful. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna enjoy those. All right, so on for today's thing. Like I said, I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. Now, I promised you when these were done, and okay, before I show you real quick, if you are sensitive to bad language, probably not your thing. My husband requested these because it's kind of his thing, not really mine so much, but so brace yourself. I'm not going to read it out loud. You can read it. Mikey from the Crochet Crowd, he put these out, and I was showing my husband because I just thought they were kind of funny, and he's like, "What?" He's like, "You got to make me one." And he doesn't request things from me very often when it comes to crocheting. And I was like, if that's what you want, done. Consider it done. And then I was like, well, it'd be kind of cool if I had one. So Mikey has 2 versions. There's this one that's the edited version, and this one's the full word version. And so I made the light colored one for me and the darker colored one, and so they're reverse of each other. And this was the pattern was very easy to follow, and they have that nice, it's crocheted, but it's got kind of a knit look to it because you use split single crochets. And let me grab my hook. I'm not going to do a full tutorial, but I'll just give you an idea of what I'm talking about. So these are made with split single crochets. Also, you'll hear it sometimes called the waistcoat stitch. And instead of working, see, you can see my V's up here. Instead of working underneath this V, instead of going there like you normally would and put your single crochet in, instead you split the legs of the stitch, because all these have 2 legs. And if you look right here, this is a leg, this is a leg, and you're going to go in between. So you can see how the darker yarn goes in between the legs instead of under the V part. If you want to learn how to do that, check out the Crochet Crowd. Mikey will show you how to do it. So I really like the look of this because it has that knit look to it. Because if you've been following for a minute, you know that I tried knitting and I just could never quite get the hang of it. So that's pretty cool. And I think the look is just so nice. It gives you that knit feel, and it's a thicker fabric too. I mean, yes, this is a, you know, it's a heavier, like bulky weight yarn, but it's also like a thicker fabric, and it's very soft. So anyways, like I said, not going to keep you too long, but I'm so glad that you tuned in today, and I hope that you will come back tomorrow for day 5 of Stitchmas. Until then though, take care.